Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
My wisdom warriors, I'm going to kick it off like this. My God, every dealerance, we plead the blood-bought covenant, and we speak into the atmosphere. We command every diabolical powers to be under my feet by the power of the Holy Ghost. Father, you gave me power to tread upon scorpions, to tread upon serpents, to bind spirit, to cast out devils. Principal of Taki High School and former PNP candidate Errol Basco was granted $600,000 bail when he appeared before the St. Mary Parish Court on Tuesday. As part of his bail condition, he is to surrender his travel documents and report to the police. Mr. Basco was charged on Sunday with buggery. My viewers and subscribers, this is really ridiculous. Because they don't come out and say nothing if them do tests or whatever. Because I can't understand. I just can't understand this. I just not get it. Really and truly. If it was underage, then I would understand. Say manipulate. But I don't understand it. And I personally believe Errol Basco. Say I set him up. I totally believe that. I don't know, so me always say it. Because you see them, the people they know, then we do anything to stay in a power. Anything. And the man come out and he say it is a political strategy because then he saying take home three division out of 4 and it are the problem. Especially when you take all the stronghold there, it are the big problem. And I believe Errol. So I don't know what them are do all charges and them kind of something they like. The 23-year-old a baby. A big old man. You understand? And them a talk about Bugra. Andrew Holness sign some more agreement, update. Andrew Holness need to update it, Andrew just need to update it right now. Yeah? This is what Andrew Holness need to do, because I'm already. Anyway, once you sign the summer agreement, it automatically come into effect. So, no founder did their hype. No founder did their hype and I talk about Andrew Holness and I run behind Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness sign a summer agreement. You understand? You go, I not have to come all the while and I tell you no, but the reason why I'm here, me here for I make you open up on your eye and your ears so you have an understanding, because no found only I go by hearsay. You get me? Me do my research and me read up things. So me I try help the one them we don't know how to read or the one them not have understanding. You get me? So even this buggery thing what Andrew Holness talk about, yeah? Even this buggery thing where they say it's against the law and all them kind of something there, yeah? Because obviously buggery mean when another man basically buggery mean when you do it there so. Back way, you understand? Right. But Andrew only signed the summer agreement. So he not supposed to have no problem with it. Because the inside summer agreement, he need to just update it, make Jamaica people know where him depend. Because we all know where him depend. We all know where Andrew Holness depend. This is just a joke thing. It is, you see this, sometime in life, you want to help people and say, boy, you want to help people, but sometimes the way how people heart so evil, you don't want to help them. Just like how this man always I help people in our community. Always I help them. And look what happened to him. Then using in kindness for weakness. Then using kindness, use it back at him, make it backfire upon him. You understand me? But it is not right, my viewers and subscribers. It is not right. It is not right. Because me don't know how somebody can manipulate somebody. You understand? They never get raped. And then you have to lock up the person. You have to press charges on the person. Unless, but you know, Jamaica system work already. All when they don't have evidence, then still lock you up. I don't know how them stay. So that's why I'm glad how Vibes Cartel case
Ghana Privy Council, you know, because them not have evidence, but them a lock up people. They need to cut that shit out and do them work. They not do no work. The real work what them for do. They just have guess and go off of their ego. That's how the police them work. And so them for deal with things. Them for deal with things better. But anyway, you want to tell me what you think. Here, this. PNP President Mark Golden wants an audit of the 2 municipal corporations which were previously led by JLP mayors. Mr. Golden was speaking at Tuesday's swearing in of the newly re-elected mayor of Portmore. My viewers and subscribers, so hear the boss speak. The boss say he want an audit from the municipal corporations. PNP President caution the new councillors. Yes, Mark Golden, me like you start work already. You start work already and then reach in the office yet. Me like this a style about you. This is a style of a leader. You understand? We don't want no politicians, you know, no more, you know. A leader we want. We don't want no politicians. We want a leader. And this is the way to go. But my viewers and subscribers, story come to boom. Me have sitting fi tell you know when this is when me hear, so me have to go use allege. Cause me know it's not confirmed as yet. It is unconfirmed. Me I hear say the computer them where they don't a KSMC. Me hear say they can't find the computer them. Wanna hear when me just say a while ago? Me hear say the computer them we don't a KSMC. Me hear say they missing. They can't find it. It is alleged that is missing. And I me say so, you know. So me hear. This is why I use the term alleged. So no notice. Because some people come over here, you know, and talk certain little things. One things that me an idiot around here. Anything, if you don't hear me say allege, that means say me have proof. But you see, once me say allege, I do not have any proof here. Right. So this I want to know. Want to hear what me say? I'm going to say it again. Listen good. Me hear say the computer them don't a KSAMC. They can't miss them. Then take them away. Who take them away, me no know. But it is alleged. It is alleged that it gone missing. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So that what me just tell you now, it is unconfirmed. Me not sure. So me have my people them on ground where I try get some information for me. Understand? Right there. So me I gonna make you know what is really going on. Because if that is the case, Mark Golden, somebody tag Mark Golden for me there. If that is the case, Mark Golden, I want you to get to the bottom of this. Because they know say Mark Golden is a serious man, you know. Mark Golden need every paperwork because him I go audit. Me like that the style about your Mark Golden. Me love this a style. As I said before, that is the style of a leader. A leader we want. We don't want no more politician. No more politician for come trick we. Because that's all them do. Come out and make promises after promises after promises. Remember, you know, Andrew Holness come out now and tell everybody say, do not listen to the PNP, them a talk about quick fix. But when you win, when you did win, and you come tell us say you are going to fix the whole Jamaica in 100 days, Andrew Holness. You promise with that, you tell with that out of your mouth. So, you see, most time when you talk, are yourself you talk about, brother. And so certain people now follow you up, but me follow, me listen to every single words that come out of your mouth. You're not a genuine person. All you think about are people money. You're too damn ready and licky. That's why you sell out Jamaica. My viewers and subscribers, hear what Mark Golden have to say.
It is important that the new incoming councillors take stock of what they have inherited, what has or has not been done in those councils under the leadership of the previous dispensation. So I expect all of our councils where there has been a change like that there will be a review, a careful review, maybe even an audit of what has been going on before. There have been numerous governance problems within the KSAMC in the last few years under the JLP leadership. And I expect that we will have to look carefully at what we're inheriting and try to correct some of the weaknesses in the governance system so that we can avoid some of the pitfalls that have occurred in the past in relation to the process of granting and monitoring building approvals and so on. Some things that we are committed to, which will require us being in government to achieve, but there are others that can be achieved by focusing on improving the standard of governance, accountability, participation, and bringing the people closer to the decision-making that affects them.
So my wisdom warriors, wanna hear what Mark Golding has to say? Wanna hear that? Okay. Me tell you, say this a man is a leader. This a man I get on top of things. And the thing is, this is why I say Andrew Holness and Juliet Holness is working together. So this is why them delay stuff and differ things so they can amend the legislation. Remember Peter Bunting came out, and tell we, because we know what them are doing. You understand? We know exactly what Juliet Holness is doing. She's holding on to the report, not sharing the report with the House of Parliament, nor with the public. She chose not to share it with us. And in the meantime, she is amending the legislation so it work in the 60th them favor. My viewers and subscribers, this is what she's doing. She's amending legislation slowly. So, at the end of it now, the 60th, they can get off of the case. And that, them I do. You understand? And I ask on, I'm telling you, no. Because I watch the House of Parliament, me listen to her, me see what is happening, and I read up about it. And it is not acceptable. It is very unacceptable. Number one, Juliet Holness, as a Prime Minister wife, that is a conflict of interest. She should never be a House of Representative. Who she represent? Who she really represent? And check it. She only representing Andrew Holness. Yeah, she not represent nobody else. She not even represent the Jamaican people. She's not even doing that. You understand? When opposition leaders side and stand up and I ask anything about the report about the 60th, she swallow. She hardly can swallow. You can't see her throat. The way she has swallow, a cut swallow, and open up her eye. The way she stress to come like she want to fight them off. I saw it look. Seems like she want to bust a fight. She angry, she get arrogant and aggressive. What type of House Speaker is that? We do not want a House Speaker like that. She stayed just like her husband, you understand? She and Andrew Holness want to turn Jamaica in a republic and a family business. We not depend that. If you don't want to have no family business, fine. Congratulations. Have no family businesses. But you go, leave Jamaican people out of it and go somewhere else with that. You understand? We want a leader that is trustworthy. A leader that stand up for Jamaican people. A leader that anything they do wrong, they can confess. Yeah, be a man and stand up and say, yes, I am responsible for this. I am responsible for that. And I am sorry, Jamaica, that I did this. But moving forward, I'm going to do better. But Andrew Holness, sorry to say, he's not that type of person. He is all him good for a pretty speech. And his wife back up that. She had the next one. She had the culprit. She yesterday. She had the one there to defend Andrew Holness. This is why she delay every investigation with Andrew Holness. And she had the one, a whole and all the report, Them ask for the report, An Integrity Commission bring reports to them and them a whole and on it from how long? From August. This is from August last year, 2023. So one year. Because she's taking her time and amending legislation. And I say some legislation wasn't done. So why now? When Andrew Holness and the 60th they're under investigation, why now you interfere with legislation? Why don't you wait until after? Them something are not right, my viewers and subscribers. These things not right. And then things say, true Andrew Holness call Jamaican people fully done. Then things say everybody done like a him. But we are not. We are not. You understand? What I think happened to Jamaican people, then some of them, they don't have any values anymore. They don't value themselves. They don't have any morals anymore. You understand that me realize? It's like them not care. They don't have no care in the world. They're not. Where's our brave Jamaican? Me always come and ask that. Where is our brave Jamaican? Where are they? You understand? They just the back a bush attack. They just talk amongst themselves. They not come out and speak up. They not come out and write for them one another. They not stand up for them one another. You understand? Side by side and stand up for them neighbor and say, listen, them do this to Unu. We not gonna allow it. We are going to stand up together as one, come together as one, unite as one. Where are our Jamaicans like that? No more. Those brave Jamaicans are nowhere to be found. This is why the country is like this. This is why we allow Andrew Holness to go and sign some more agreement, because what Andrew Holness do, he feel on out. He come in and talk about the summer agreement and didn't give a breakdown. So no understand it. No, because a lot of people me talk to about it. Me mention it to them and they say they don't know what is that. You understand? Some of them, but them know now, and they still around behind Andrew Holness. So what can I say? You understand? But my viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this.
Least that is the foundation that we came upon. That is the foundation that the world knew us from. That is the foundation that Marcus Garvey went to America and formed the United Negro Improvement Association from. It was the freedom that he left this island with. The freedom that freed Mandela. The freedom that Bob Marley used to free Zimbabwe. The freedom that Africa depend on to be free as well. We are not just an island of slaves. We are an island of people that come direct from the Creator to be examples to the entire world, advancing the whole human race by everything that we do. Everything that the Jamaican do advances the whole human race. Jamaica is linked to Gaza. Jamaica is linked to Africa. Jamaica is linked to Russia. Jamaica is linked to Haiti. Jamaica is the headquarters of all the issues of the world. If we give that away, we give away the glory of the Creator. I know that everyone that should be here is not here. Who can tape it? Tape it. We are not going to be responsible when the judgment comes. When the angels of the Most High will not be forgiven anymore. Stop drinking the rum. Stop eating the food. Start loving the Almighty again. That is the only thing that is going to save us as a people. Make Andrew Holness understand that the devil that he signed off on is not strong like the Most High that guide us through all these times, all these centuries, all these aches, all these pains that we went through as a nation should not end like this because of the fact that people found out how to keep us as slaves, how to keep us subordinate. Bert Samuel Skabumahat, Mota Baruka Bujubantan, the Mali family, leave ex-Jamaican Jamaican or join them. Join with them, join with their voices, join with the families, join with those who are left. They will love you. They will make you as rich as you would ever want to be. Give them back something, all of you. I'm begging, not just the names that are called. Tony Rebel, Sizzler, Caperton, Anthony B. All of you, ex-Jamaicans, make you who you are. Ex-Jamaican Jamaicans. You little ones who are coming in, the Proto-Jokes, the Lola Ikes, the Janines, the Chronics, come and give back to what ex-Jamaican gave you when you came. Do not let the system use you against our children to promote only Satanism through music and tell us that that is what is new and that is what our culture should represent. We are a people of the Almighty Creator. Our children are valuable. Our children are valuable. What are you doing to our children? What are you doing to Jamaican children? They are the future of every generation. They are not
supposed to be just guinea pigs, to be sluts and whores, and to be available for any predator that comes along and wants
to have fun. Our culture is way bigger than that. I don't care anymore. I am not going to come on here all the days of my life and beg you to come to the Almighty Creator and understand that our country, the people that are dying, they are dying deliberately. There's people who are turning a blind eye and watching real Jamaican people die because they are defenseless. They took away the voices that gave the people pride and we plunge into darkness.
So there you go, my viewers and subscribers. Wanna hear Queen Ifrika? You understand? Queen Ifrika want the best for we country. Queen Ifrika want the best for the people. Remember, a long time Queen Ifrika always out, She always out, And I look out for the Jamaican people, And I encourage you, I give you encouragement, I give you courage, and strength, And at the same time, Queen Ifrika always I teach you, my viewers and subscribers. And still, we now learn. You understand? You can see, say, it coming like her heart full, my viewers and subscribers. Because she plead with the Jamaican people. But Jamaican people still not listen. We not listen. You understand? It's like Juliet Holness not stop. Him not stop until Jamaica get destroyed. But only God alone can come in the midst and remove every obstacle that is in the way. Only God alone can do that. My wisdom warriors, tell me what you think. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.